A third man goes before a judge today on murder charges, all in connection to the 2014 killing of Wayne Best Jr.
Best's mother faced the suspect in court today, exactly 1 week after the home her son was gunned down in front of was destroyed in a fire.
Our Kimberly Howard is live at the scene of the murder tonight and that fire. And Kimberly, a lot has gone on at that address. Any word tonight on whether or not there's a connection?
And in Cody, the district attorney's office says this fire that happened at this address is definitely suspicious. If you take a look behind me, you can see crews are still here a week later, leveling out what is now just an empty lot. The fire happened hours before one of the men connected to that murder went before a judge. Today, another court appearance for another man, now named in this crime.
I really don't remember much except waking up and realizing something was wrong and then trying to get out.
Karen Kirsch recalling the frightening moments inside her home just last week, the same home her son, Wayne Best Jr., was murdered in front of just over a year ago. She says she was sure she was going to die.
I kind of just sunk to the ground because I really couldn't breathe anymore, and I wasn't afraid. I thought I was going to go see Wayne, so I was a little bit at peace.
Now a much different feeling as family and friends usher her into a courtroom where a third man went before a judge in connection to Best's killing. Troy Saunders pleaded not guilty to 15 counts, including murder, robbery, and weapons charges. Christopher Johnson and Todd Macon pleaded not guilty to similar charges in separate court appearances over the last week. But the district attorney's office says they believe Saunders is the one who pulled the trigger.
He intentionally killed Wayne Best.
Saunders is being represented by attorney Adam Parisi, but during his arraignment, Saunders told the judge he wanted to represent himself.
That is a right that you do have, but it's one that I can only provide for after I go over a number of issues with you.
Saunders is no stranger to the law. He pleaded guilty to drug charges and was sentenced to 4.5 years in state prison. That was less than a month after the murder of Wayne Best.
I'm not going to talk about his anything currently going on with the defendant except for the charges he's here for on today.
As for what may have sparked this fire,
At this point, the fire is still being investigated.
and investigators are treating it as suspicious. Back out here live, you can see crews have put a fence up where this fire took place. Again, no official cause just yet. As for Saunders, he's due back in court on May 24th. Live in Schenectady, Kimberly Howard, CBS 6 News.